little car?
Yeah, a little person.
What's going on?
What's up? My name's T.
I'm MarQuis Trill.
Yeah, I know. Now what do you want?
I want to talk business with you.
What kind of business?
Social media marketing.
You think I don't got that down already?
Not with 1.1 million followers.
1.1 million followers isn't enough for you?
Nah.
Well, how many do you got?
3.8 million. Just on Instagram.
Well, you got more somewhere else?
Twitter, Snapchat, YouTube.
Well, how many do you have on there?
300,000 on YouTube.
Yeah.
So I'm thinking, I think you should step it up a little bit, you know? Bring it up to like 10 million followers on Instagram, 2 million on YouTube. I think we could do something like that.
You could do that for me?
I can definitely do it.
How?
You don't know who I am?
I didn't say I didn't know who you are. I said how you gonna get me to do all of that.
I'm the GOAT.
Oh. Okay. So do I have to do that and then I get like...
Nah, that's
like,
we're gonna work on it though. We're gonna work on it. So the things we're gonna do, we're gonna get you the real checks.
What kind of checks are you talking about? Because I make a big money. I don't know if you've seen the car I'm in right now, or, you know.
Yeah, this is a nice car. This is Ferrari.
I don't know what it is, but I know I sucked a lot of dick to get where I'm at with it.
You did what?
You heard me. So what do I got? Can I stop doing that if I mess around with you?
You can definitely stop doing that if you mess with me.
Well, that's kind of cool.
For sure.
Because I'm tired.
Yeah.
My neck be hurting sometimes.
So, yeah, we stop doing that. What we're gonna do is we're gonna revamp your whole Instagram. You know that. Hi, my name's.
You don't like it?
It's cool.
It's cute. Nigga, I'm a marketing genius. Come on. Like really, what are you gonna do for me that I can't do for myself?
Well, definitely get you more followers. That's first and foremost.
Okay, but
second is company checks. You know, $10,000, $20,000, $40,000 checks.
Okay.
You know, marketing deals, posting information. Your own makeup line.
My own makeup line.
Yeah,
I barely even know how to put on mascara.
It don't matter. Just say, hi, this is my makeup. So.
That's it?
That's it.
Well, then why can't I just do that without you?
Because you don't know how to do it.
Yes, I do. You just showed me. I just can go, hi, my name's T and this is my mascara. And then I just gotta go,
who's gonna make your makeup?
Somebody in China.
Do you test your makeup on animals?
No.
Who's gonna pay for the product?
Me.
Who's shipping the product?
Amazon.
Fail. If you want to talk big money like this, hold on. See, Instagram people, they're gonna be like, oh, those are our ones,
Yeah.
We gonna pull out the other money like this.
Can I see that?
Yeah, like that. That's from checks. You know what I'm saying?
Okay, get out. What you say?
Get out?
Yeah.
Don't go too far.